Alright, today in class we had a little bit of trouble with multiplying two-digit numbers, so we're going to review it just a little bit more in depth. There's a definite process to multiplying two-digit numbers, and you have to have that right order to do things, or else you will be confused and lost, and you probably won't get the right answer, so make sure that you follow the steps in the right order. We're going to review those steps right now. If I have 23 times 47, I've got 23 times 47 right here. The first thing I do is I multiply the ones. I always want to start with this number right down here in this bottom right-hand corner, okay? And I'm going to go 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, it's a two-digit number, so I can't put 21 down here. I have to carry my 2 over here, my two tens, so 20, and then my 1 is going to go down here in my 1 spot. So 21. See that? Now I still need to do 7 times 2, which is 14. Good. And add 2. So 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. Now, 16 is also a double-digit number. I don't have anywhere to put my 1 up here, my 110. There's nothing to put it on top of, okay? So I have to put it down here. So 16 is going to go down there, okay? Next, I'm going to add my happy placeholder. And there he is. The next step is to multiply the tens. So I'm going to look at my 4 right down here on the bottom and go 4 times 3 is 12. Good. So my 1, since this is a two-digit number, 4 times 3 is 12, my 110 is going to go on top of my 2. And my 2 is going to go down here, see? 110 and then 2 ones. And then I do 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 9 goes down there. Now my last step is to add the products. So I'm going to add them up. 1 plus placeholder is 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. So my answer is 1,081. Let's try another one. 29 times 56. Where am I going to start? I want you to all think, where am I going to start? Okay, start with the 6 in the 1 spot. Okay, 6 times 9 is 54. Again, that is a double-digit number. My 5 is going to go up here, and my 4 is going to go down here. So 54. Got to keep going with my 6. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. Okay, so I'm finished with my 1s. Now I need to move on to my 10s, but before I do that, I have to add my placeholder. Okay, when I added my placeholder, I erased the 5 that was above the 2. Now I need to go 5 times 9 is 45. My 4 is going to go right there. My 5 goes down here. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. Last step is to add. 4 plus placeholder is 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. 4 plus 1 is 6. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1,624. Yay, we did it! And always remember, you rock.